Calculating and setting up the correct field of view in Assetto Corsa ensures your screen acts like a true window, giving you accurate depth perception and realistic braking points. Start by taking 2 physical measurements while sitting in your driving position. Measure your monitor size diagonally in inches and measure the exact distance from your eyes to the center of your screen in centimeters. Next, plug those numbers into an online sim racing FOV calculator, such as the Get Good Racing or Braking Lab FOV calculator. Because base Assetto Corsa uses vertical field of view, copy the calculated vertical FOV value. To apply your calculated number, launch Content Manager, navigate to Settings, select Assetto Corsa, and click View and UI. Locate the Field of View slider and enter your exact degree value. Finally, adjust your seat position inside the car rather than messing with your FOV settings. Load into a track session, hover your mouse over the right side of the screen to open the app sidebar, and open the onboard camera app. Tweak the virtual seat pitch, height, and distance to bring the steering wheel or mirrors into view without distorting your perspective. Subscribing helps out the channel, and enjoy hitting your apexes with precision.